Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your active downloads on your PlayStation 4 account. So if I hold down the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu, and then I go up to notifications, you can see anything that's currently downloading or uploading under this category on top. Now, if it doesn't display under here, we want to go to the home screen and then go up to the top, and then go on over to where it says notifications right here and select this. Then you should see it under this category. If you don't, press options. Then you can go specifically to the downloads or the upload category. So let's go to downloads, and we can see everything that has installed or downloaded in the past. So I can scroll on down through this list, and it's going to bring me back to like 2019 almost. So yep, about 4 years ago. So this is everything that has been updated. Let's go on over to where it says uploads now. And I can see everything that has been uploaded, and I get this cannot upload error on here, and then you can go to the view error, and it's just saying the save data online storage is more recent than the one on the PlayStation 4, and do you want to overwrite it? Let's go to yes. I believe this is because I've been using my PlayStation 5 playing these games, so the online storage is newer than what's on my PlayStation. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.